Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're going to present to you this beautifully restored Jaguar 340, successor to the Mark II. The car is finished in beige with a sliding fabric sunroof and brown upholstery, fitted with wire wheels which are painted with the chrome knockoffs, as you see. Right, the car was a decent car prior to our purchase of a car for a client. He's decided to go all out and make it one of the nicest available. With some extensive body repairs on the car, we've fitted new outer door skins, inner door panels, lower boot area, wing repairs to the wings and front panel. All the sunroofs been out and cleaned up and repaired and everything. The glass has been out, all the chrome trims off, lots of chrome's been away for re-chroming, etc. And it's just a beautiful car now. You notice that it's got the Coombs style arches on it. These are steel ones, not the plastic ones, and everything has been tailor made to fit. If you look at the gaps on the car, they're as good as you're going to get on a Mark II. When a Mark II does look good, there's nothing better than these gaps, especially down the B pillar, which you see now. All the chrome work is in lovely condition. The car is just as nice as you can imagine. We've gone through it mechanically. It's had a new brake servo and bits and bobs. It's all on the button, ready to go. Good number plate, LOD400F. It's been featured previously on some of the magazines of the parts suppliers and everything. It's had plenty of parts supplied over the last almost 60 years. 1967 registered car. So as we look into the detail, just looking down the side of the car, it's straight as a die. So the new door skins and inner doors, mammoth task, but as we open the doors in a short while, you'll see the attention to detail. As you will, looking down the bonnet and the roof and pillars and glass and everything. So lights and everything's working on this car. It's all been, attention made to the wiring, new lamp seals, etc, etc. Chrome's all good. Again, looking down the offside, panel fit is fantastic, paint finish is fantastic, everything done in our workshops. 6-month job. There's a sunroof that's been out, all the headlining's been out and everything's been repaired as necessary, cleaned and greased and working as it should. There you'll see the reflection of the paint. Quite unusual, not the most popular combination, but it looks fantastic on this car, especially in the sunlight. So there are the gaps again. Big job, especially when you're putting new door skins and door innards in as well. Chrome's been away, or the majority of it. Coming onto the rear quarter. If you look at the radius of these Coombs style arches, finished in steel, so we've had plenty of work on them to get it to fit as nice as this. And again, looking at the door gaps and also the sill seam there to the wheel arch. So there we go. Coming around the back, gaps around the boot lid. Again, this set a new repair panel to the lower boot lid and the inside attended to at the same time. As we take you into the car, you'll see the brown vinyl trim, carpets, brown carpets, a lot of original vinyl in here. Seats obviously been restored about 30 years ago. The wood is in lovely condition. Everything's working on the car, even the radio. So all the hinges have been off, sandblasted. All new door seals, boot seal. Looking up at pillars. Very nice attention to detail. And coming around the door edges, see the uniform fold coming down the bottom, and the manufactured drain vents in the bottoms of the door there, which are the same as on all the doors. Coming into the back, upholstery is superb. There's a sunroof with a little fly screen type blind. Again, the wood, the chrome, carpets and trims, lovely. And again, coming down the pillar, you see it's got retractable seat belts. They've been in a number of years. And that's the new arches, made to measure. Again, new door outer skins and inner repair panels, probably coming up the first 6 or 7 inches, and the new drains fitted at the bottom. In the boot, so a new panel at the bottom there, and the remanufactured inner panel. That's wax oil you can see running. Lovely detail. Very unusual to see a car as straight as this, especially for a 340. Not quite as valuable as the predecessor, the Mark IIs with the bigger bumpers. Virtually the same car otherwise, except for seat trim. This is manual overdrive car, obviously. Wow, so fully done in our workshops, long period. The customer's got another small collection of cars of similar quality, of German variety, just fancied a Mark II which would be usable. Again, just finally to the dashboard, the interior, and just to the rear door, just to see things are working as they should do. And just finally the attention to detail. So there we are. We hope you're pleased with the video and the condition of this car. It's nice to bring an old 340 back to life. Lasts for another 60 years. If you're interested in our work or other cars we've restored or anything at all, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website woldsideclassics.co.uk.